Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to share your WhatsApp status to your Instagram story. First you need to open your WhatsApp application, then click on updates, then click on my status. These are my WhatsApp status. Let's click on one of them. So as you can see at the bottom we have Facebook and Instagram. Let's click on Instagram. Status shared, some pictures may not be supported on Instagram. Guys, that's how you can share your WhatsApp status on Instagram. Let's open our Instagram application. This is Instagram. Let's click on our story. This is the story. It's already shared here. Guys, that's how you can share your WhatsApp status to your Instagram story. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button, comment, and see you in the next one.